Hello, raindrops! Welcome back to Carrot Rain. It's Ella. Today, what we're going to do is we're gonna do like a full glam, but like more of a neutral look like this, basically. So it's still a little something. That way, we have a video to make. But it's more of a something you can wear sort of whenever. So basically, I wash my face, so the first thing I'm gonna have to do is moisturize. So I like to go in with my Dove beauty cream. It's a pink and white little thing that I bought not that long ago. It's been a while, but I love Dove products. Now that our face is nice and moisturized, first things first is eyebrows. I always like to go in with my eyebrows first because they're sort of like my hard point, I guess. I can never get my eyebrows right. Just they don't even grow right. They're not even sisters. They are like cousins. So we're just gonna draw them in so they get the same effect as in the picture. Try to make them long and dramatic. So now that we have our eyebrows sort of sketched out where we want them, we're gonna go in with some type of concealer and sort of clean them up. So this is a very cheap, very good product. This is the e.l.f. cream and contour palette. I bought this for like $6-7 in like January, and I'm going in with this light color just to clean up around my eyebrows. But I promise you, this is a very cheap, very good product just to use all over the face, and just you can use like a flat brush like this or any type of angled brush you'd like, sort of just to clean it up, sort of get the nice crispiness of some nice eyebrows. Eyebrows are now crispified, so basically from here on out we're just gonna prime our eyelids. We hop straight to the eyelids because it's right under our eyebrows. So I like to do my eyes first with my makeup. I find it a lot easier if I mess up or if I have eyeshadow fall out and stuff. It's easy to clean it up. So we're going in with the James Charles Morphe palette. This should not be no different. Dang, I'm pretty broke, so I'm not buying no new makeup. Plus, this palette has everything I need. I don't see the purpose of trying to buy some other stuff. So, anyway, basically, the first thing we're gonna go is we're gonna go in with the color T, and basically, we're just gonna put this into our crease and wing it out. Now that T is on, we're gonna go in with No Beans, and this is basically just gonna help transition the shade a little bit more. I like to go ham on my colors because I want to get a really good blend. Like I said, blend. So the next color is gonna be Punch Me. We're gonna use this to sort of try to seep in the little brown into the skin, and after that we're gonna go in with Flashback, sort of give it the little white into the eyebrow like in the picture. Cut crease is all blended out, so right here we're gonna go in with the light shade in the cream contour palette from e.l.f. and sort of start creating our cut crease. So basically this cut crease is just gonna go halfway through the eye. We're gonna create a wing with the shadows, and so basically that's all we're really doing. Once that I think that my shape is right, I'm gonna go in with Flashback just to really set that, cream, the little cream on, basically, just to set it. So then basically what we're going to try to do is we're going to start creating our little wing with the shades. So basically we're going to go in with Spooky, sort of pat this in the outer corner of the eye. I'm trying to pack it really neat, that way it creates like a little wing. Once that I realize that it's on the way I like it, I'm gonna go in with the same shades we use in the cut crease to sort of blend it out. And if you get the order, I went in with T, No Beans, and Punch Me. So Punch Me is going to be the one that we're going to blend with the white, and T is going to be the one that we blend with this black, and then No Beans is going right in between those two. So now that I look like I'm feeling myself, first things first is I'm gonna just do the whole same process we just did on that one eye and repeat it on to the other eye. So we're just gonna fast forward through it. Feel free to pause it if you feel like you're missing something. Just rewind and whatnot. RK Pore Minimizing Face Primer. Now, primer is very key to me because I have large pores. Primer fills up those pores and make my face look nice. This is also the only primer that I own, so it works miracles for me. Basically what we're gonna do is just basically rub this all over like it's a lotion. Primer on, now foundation. So basically we're gonna go with the Professional Kiss New York Pro Touch Drop Foundation. I am in this shade Sunbase. Now, a lot of my everyday face products are the same stuff, so I try to use different things. So for instance, today I'm using this brush. I have not used this brush since middle school, so we'll see how this works out today. Plus, because it's a drop foundation, somehow it ends up either on my eyebrows, on my eyeshadow, on my t-shirts. I'm very messy with drop foundation. That's another reason why I'm using a brush today. Yes, my foundation may not match my skin. I am aware of that because my foundation was $6 and I had a very limited amount of choices. So, it might not look right. Even if it don't though, we're just gonna hop into concealer. We're gonna use the one from the Cream Contour palette. This palette was like $8, $9, possibly $10. Very cheap, so I recommend a lot. So since we're trying to warm up my face, I'm going with my Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Cool Tan. This works just to bring the yellow back in my face because I know my foundation is very pale compared to me. Now that I know I got my face a little more yellower, we're gonna go in with one of the dark shades in the Cream Contour palette, whichever one would suit your face the best. I go in with the medium one only because it suits my face. So basically with that, I do this real duck lip face just so I can find my cheekbones because I got chubby cheeks. I can't find my cheekbones that easily. So basically I'll just warm that up, feel myself a little bit more because, you know, anytime you do your makeup, you know you're finna be popping. So, yeah. So basically the next step that we finna do is just go in with the powder. This is my Luxe Pro powder in the shade Banana. This also helps me bring the yellow back in my skin because I know my foundation is not my skin tone. Since my foundation's in the bottle, I sort of put it in one of these and just like sort of pick the product up from there. It's pretty easy, that way I'm not wasting my product and it's just accumulated in this little container thing. Now that we rubbed enough powder all over our face, we gotta bring some of the warmth back in. So I'm gonna go in with my A-Muse palette and my contour brush. So basically, I'm gonna use the A-Muse palette and I'm gonna go in with the deepest shade in there, which is what's gonna warm up my face, so to bring my cheekbones back in. So since we want to make our eyes look a little bit more bigger, we're gonna go in with a white eyeliner and sort of try to blend some shades and stuff to the bottom part of our waterline, not going all the way down but just halfway. I sort of went in with T just to get the base of my shadows. So we're gonna go in also with this white bold eyeliner. Like I said, I don't have a lot of name brand stuff. This is, I don't even know what brand this is at all. I know it's from a beauty supply store. But basically we're just gonna put this into our waterline on the inside at the bottom. Now that we got that down, we're gonna go in with the cream contour from the e.l.f. palette, going with the lightest shade, and basically create the circle, the full circle in the inner corner to open it up a lot more. If you remember the reference photo from earlier, that's the look we're going for, with an open inner eye corner just to open up the eye. Now that we added some flashback as well to set it, we're gonna go in with spooky and basically try to create the actual deeper line, just to create that black eyeliner look, because I don't have eyeliner. I personally don't have eyeliner, so I'm gonna go in with spooky from the James Charles palette just to sort of create that line, just to be able to start smudging it out with some more eyeshadow shades. So it's gonna be spooky right at the waterline, tea, no beans, and punch me right after. Now that our eyeshadows are set, we're basically just gonna go in, and at this point we're gonna add highlighter. So you can pick any highlighter you want. You can go in with anything that you think will match it. You can just even stop here, you don't have to add highlighter. But we're gonna go in with what my sister-in-law gave me, and we're gonna go in with the glow kit from Anastasia. Like I said, I fell in love with this kit. I promise you, it gives me like the ultimate glow. So I'm gonna go in with this really light shade here, and that's called Marshmallow. And basically I'm gonna just put this on the high points of my face. I'm put it in my cheekbones, right under my eyebrow, my nose, my upper lip, and the bridge of my nose as well, and a little bit above the eyebrow, right in the middle of the eyebrow, sort of just to angle it. You'll sort of see it in the video. So this step really is just for me. My lips are really pinky red, so I try to go in with a concealer or something just to block it out, and that way later on when I do my lip color, it really pops. So as I realized I look a little bit flushed out, I'm gonna go in with my Aim Use palette. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with this cool tone blush shade, and just to warm up my cheeks. Now that I sort of gave enough time for my concealer on my lips to dry, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown lip liner from NYX. I'm gonna use this basically just to outline my lips. Since I don't have any color, I don't got no Cali lip kit, no Jeffree Star lip set, none of that, so I'm just going in with the James Charles shade T just to blend the brown lip liner I used earlier in, and then I'm gonna go in with Mary and sort of place that in the center, because I feel like that color matched the reference photo better than any other shade I had. So if you really don't know how I put on my eyelashes, I really just went off Beats by Deb. I follow her on Instagram and on Facebook. She does amazing looks, and I literally use the same glue she has, which is the Super Stronghold from I Envy. Literally the little brush tip helps a lot. The eyelashes that I have on, I don't really know what to tell you. They just came in that. Whatever that 20 pack of eyelashes is, that's literally what it is. So because my lips get really ashy really fast, I'm just going in with any type of lip gloss just to go over my lips, just because it's shades and it's not meant to be on the lips, it's meant to be on your eyeshadows. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my completed look. Thank you very much to all my raindrops out there. I appreciate y'all. Comment down below, raindrops, if you've been watching my videos for a while now. I appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram. I do follow back. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will be uploading a lot more frequently, so let's get those notification buttons on. Thank you. Love y'all.